welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Sneha Lakshikar, and I have come with another video that will help you not a lot but definitely a little bit in your learning. So in this video, what I am going to discuss about is I am going to discuss about an idea that will help you. So the idea is that you just have to describe a picture that I will show you on screen, and you just have to describe the picture in English, whatever you are observing in on that picture. Okay, so let's see how. Okay, in this picture what we are observing, we are observing that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with some other people is coming, and he is wearing white kurta and khaki jacket, and other are in black suit, and they all are wearing a identity card, and our Prime Minister is also holding a beautiful flower garland in his hand, and there is also a decoration with yellow flowers, right? In this second picture what we are observing that there is so much greenery and it is seeming a jungle. There is also a river in which two baby elephants are enjoying the weather while playing in water. Both have shiny brown skin, and one baby elephant is showering the water with his trunk, and weather is also seeming so good. So this was all that we are observing in this picture, right? This third picture what we are observing that two beautiful ladies are taking selfie, and they both are fully dressed up in traditional look. Even one lady is also wearing a white sunglasses. They wore so much jewelry, and there is also a person who is taking picture of them by his camera, who is standing behind them, right? I hope now you got my idea what I'm trying to make you understand. Okay, is all for the examples, and in this way you don't need a buddy for practicing your English, and you just by yourself improve your English while doing nothing. And I think this way is also very interesting and entertaining. Very soon I will come with another video. Tab tak ke liye bye, take care of yourself. And if you like this video, then let me know in my blog comment box how it was. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Bye.